My name is Paulson Joseph. Right now, I'm working as media planner in Madison World. Like everyone else, I did engineering, and after that, I got placed into a certain startup. My parents were afraid because, it was a good paying job as well. The first thing that I Googled was is Kraftshala scam. I just wanted to go through everything. I wanted to be very sure. I was part of MLP 9, right? So I had 8 different MLPs and students and alumni who had already passed out and got into different jobs. I saw reviews on Quora as well. I saw like how well it worked out for them. So my decision was pretty clear from that point of time. I was pretty excited by the whole offering that was offered by Kraftshala. The curriculum that you offered, so it was very systematic, it was well organized, and everything was on map. I came across other companies as well, but eventually Kraftshala was the company which offered the best deal. The stakes that I took were very high, so I wanted the course to be pretty strict and pretty into us. So that's what I got, because they were long hours. It was 8 hours to 10 hours per day, and eventually we were staying up late to complete the assignments as well. If marketing is where you want to be, this is the program, this is the right program for you.